Hello everyone! It's been a while. Matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-vlog. So for today's video, we're going to have an honest review with my new collection from Kipling. This is Eleni smooth satin shoulder bag and simply beige color. There is a monkey chain in here. There is a cinch pulse in both sides. It can be adjusted. The size of this Eleni small shoulder bag is 9 inches on length and 5.75 on height. And there is a triangle stitch in this corner. On the front, there is a Kipling logo. And there is no external pocket outside. And scrunch shoulder strap that it can be adjusted. While it's lightweight and spacious enough for all my essentials. So ito, para may adjust yung kanyang shoulder strap, hinihila lang siya para maging kulot yung kanyang shoulder strap. So you can pull like this para humaba yung strap. And you can wear as a shoulder bag. It's so soft. I find it's hard to maintain the shiny texture of this bag. There is one main compartment. And one internal zip pockets. So, yun lang. I think it will fit here mobile or a small wallet. But anyway, it's spacious inside. No any other pockets. Mas maganda sana kung meron siyang small side pocket. I think the fabric is easily prone to dirt, which is a bit of a downside. But anyway, it's a cute and perfect for both day and night wear. But I'm not entirely satisfied with the quality. Especially given the high price. The regular price of this bag is 199 dirhams. So what will fit inside of this Eleni small shoulder bag? So I have here my Bath and Body perfume mist. Fit siya pag pahiga. my water bottle, 500 ml. Okay din, kaso di siya pwedeng nakatayo. So, here, the internal pocket, it fit the small wallet, the card holder. At pwede pa rin siguro yung mobile. This is a iPhone 16 Plus. So, does it fit? Parang di yata kasya. Oh, ayan, pwede naman. The material is different from the other Kipling bags I own. So I have here my papaw and the sunscreen from Johnson. I have here my mascara from Rimmel, a pen, and a small perfume from Jo Malone. I'm so much in love with this scent, the English Freesia. This is the laminated eyebrows from BLK, and my wooden brush, hairbrush. So it's still spacious. I think it will fit also my glass case. Yeah. But I think much better if I will put my mobile in here, the internal pocket, para mag-balance yung laman. See? I was hoping for a better durability of this bag. Overall, a little bit disappointed considering the cost of this small bag. So guys, what do you think? So try natin i-adjust ngayon yung shoulder strap niya. Ay, parang cute naman siya pag may laman pala. So, it look like this. If you're wearing this bag, it's best to avoid pairing it with the dark colored jeans or dress, as they could stain it. Opting for white clothing will help prevent any stains on this bag. So guys, let me know which style you prefer for this bag. Wearing it is a shoulder bag or carrying as a handbag. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.